For this preparation, we will need the following reagents: aluminium metal, ammonium acetate, sodium acetate trihydrate, sodium thioglycolate, Eryochrome cyanin R indicator, and absolute ethanol. We begin by weighing 0.5291 grams of the aluminium metal. Care must be taken to be as accurate as possible, with deviation of plus or minus 0.1 milligram. The metal is then transferred to a beaker with some distilled water and placed on a hot plate. 20 to 30 milliliters of concentrated hydrochloric acid are added, and the beaker is covered with a watch glass. With heating, the aluminium starts to dissolve, liberating hydrogen gas. As the reaction proceeds, the solution becomes opaque and darkens in color. Near the end of the dissolution, the cloudiness should start to disappear. When no more aluminium is present, the beaker is removed from the heat. The watch glass is washed with distilled water, and the solution is allowed to cool down to room temperature. It is then transferred to a 1-liter volumetric flask. The beaker is washed twice with distilled water and removed. The solution in the flask is then topped with distilled water to the mark. This solution is denoted with A, and its concentration is 1 milligram of aluminium oxide per milliliter. 50 milliliters portion of solution A is transferred to a 500 milliliters volumetric flask and diluted with distilled water. This is solution B, and its concentration is 0.1 milligram per milliliter. Again, we pipette 50 milliliters of solution B and transfer it into another volumetric flask of 500 milliliters. This solution is denoted as C. Its aluminium oxide content is 0.01 milligram per milliliter. It is important to prepare it fresh in the day of use. After our standards are ready, we move forward to preparing the other solutions. We start by dissolving 1.5 grams of sodium thioglycolate into 450 milliliters of distilled water. After everything dissolves, 50 milliliters of absolute ethanol are added. Next, we weigh 0.1 gram of Eryochrome cyanin R indicator and dissolve it into 100 milliliters of distilled water. Finally, we need to prepare a buffer solution with pH of 6. We transfer 139 grams of ammonium acetate and 54.5 grams sodium acetate trihydrate into a 1-liter beaker. It is filled with distilled water to around the 400 milliliters mark and placed on a hot plate. With heating and occasional stirring, everything should dissolve. The beaker is removed from the heat and diluted with distilled water to 500 milliliters. For the next step, we will need 7 volumetric flasks of 100 milliliters. The first one will serve as a blank, while in the others we pipette the corresponding volumes of the standard solution C. This would be 1 milliliter, 2 milliliters, 5 milliliters, 10 milliliters, 15 milliliters, and 20 milliliters. Next, we add 25 milliliters of the sodium thioglycolate solution to each flask, followed by 7 milliliters of the Eryochrome cyanin R solution. Finally, we adjust the pH with 15 milliliters of the buffer solution. The flasks are filled with distilled water, and the final development of the color takes 20 minutes. After that, our calibration solutions are ready.